Now hash table is a very simple topic. A hash table is a data structure that is used to store the key value pairs. Keys are nothing but the indices, right? We know that it can be implemented using arrays, and there is a concept called as indexing in arrays, which is called as keys, and we have values. So whatever key we have, that value should be stored inside the key. That is nothing but key value pairs. If it uses a hash function to compute an index into an array in which an element will be inserted or fetched. That's what we discussed, right? So for example, it provides, what is the use of this hash table means, it provides, whenever you make use of this hash function, it provides the direct access to objects based on a key. And key could be your SID, your telephone number, social security number, account number, whatever thing you want to do, you can take it. But it must have unique keys. It's not key, it is value. Right? And each key is associated or it is mapped to a value, that we know it. Hash table is nothing but key value pairs. Hash table is implemented with arrays. Right? So that's all about hash tables, and this is very important. Please listen, please concentrate. The load factor of the hash table. This, you have some questions on this load factor, very, very important. Right? The load factor of the hash table is denoted by the symbol lambda, where lambda is given by the formula number of items in the table by table size. Very important. So load factor is nothing but the number of items that are occupied in the table. Therefore, the load factor is denoted by lambda, which is given by the formula number of items in the table by the table size. For example, assume that the table size is 10 and it consists of 6 items. The load factor of the table is given by the number of items, which is equal to 6, by the size, which is nothing but 0.6. Right? So collisions. We know what a collision is. If more than one value is pointed to the same index, if the more than one value is indexed to the same value, then it is called as a collision, right? So a good hash function executes quickly, it distributes key equally, and it has less collisions. These are the properties which you have